So finally, you are all the Django professionals. Finally reached to the Django class. So you completed Python completed, Django completed, MongoDB completed, UI technologies completed. Inka any technologies? Angular, Angular. When compare with me, you are completed so many courses, all rounder. So yesterday we started discussion about how to deploy the project to the live environment, that is when you are starting MongoDB. Deployment is nothing but we have to move the application to the live or production environment, that is called as deployment process. So in this deployment, there are majorly three terms are there. One is version control system. Second one is the remote hosting server. Third one is the deployment platform. Version control system is nothing but we have to maintain multiple versions of the same project. Then we go with version control system. There are different version control system softwares are available there. Majorly we are using the Git. Second one is remote hosting server is nothing but your GitHub. After that we go to the deployment. So first project is available to the local host, means local machine. From the local machine to I shifted to the Git. From there to I can convert it to the GitHub. From there to we go with deployment server. Whenever application is available in GitHub, then all it is easy to deployment. So yesterday I'm telling how to install the Git. Now, whatever activities we have to do in the Git means, first in the this PC, D drive, I created yesterday one folder, my current working directory, I deleted. First you have to create one folder. Go to new, take the folder. I'm given my current working directory. In this current working directory, screen is not visible. So now observe. In the D drive, I created current working directory. Here it is empty. No files are available there. In the Mahesh classes, there is one file is there. abc.txt. Copy. Go to D drive. My working directory. Paste it. File available there. Sir, it is available to the within the local system D drive. My current working directory file is there. This file, I want to go to the first Git. How to go to means, once you install Git, then Git bash is there. Open the Git bash. So in this one, first whenever you open this Git one, sir, it is going to the D drive first, CD. D drive. In the D drive, my current working directory. In current working directory, abc.txt file is available. Present it is not observed by the Git. I have to observe by this Git, this one. If any modifications are there, any versions will be there. How to identify means, the first command is you have to use git init. This command will be initialization, means it is created one folder will be created there with dot folder. Yes, dot git will be created there. Generally, it is the hidden folder. Observe in this, one folder will be created there. Means now my git is initiating to this ABC. If any changes you have to did this ABC file, automatically it will be identified. Not identified, just a created folder. When it is checking means we have to add that file git add what is the file abc.txt file. Suppose in that folder there are 20 to 30 files are there. I want to add all. Then git add dot. Dot meant for within the current working directory, whatever files are there, every file can be observed by the git. It is available to the staging area. That area is called as staging area because first my application is available into local machine, local host. From there to I have to provided the area it is called as staging area. Here we have to do modifications, everything. Once it is done, from there to I have to upload it to which place? GitHub, remote repository. Once it is available GitHub, then finally you have to go to the live, that is called as deployment servers. Any project process is the same only. So first I have to go localhost to the staging area, there to GitHub I want to provide it, from there to easy to deployment to the application. This is the process. Present here I have only one file abc dot, what is the file name? txt. Now this file can be observed by my git. That is I am telling staging area means before my local host to under git it is going to the surveillance, it is watching the abc.txt. If any changes are modified that it is identifying. From there to you have to go to the remote server, that is GitHub. Sir, first of all here activities related to Git repository. First one, I created a directory named with my current working directory. It is our current working directory. Second one, we required a local repository to track our files. For this, we have to use the command git init. This command will create a folder named with .git. Which acts as a local repository. Those things are you have to do in the project. In the project, those things are available there. Because if you want to send the mails, all these OTPs, gateways are required. If you go with, yeah. If you want to send SMS gateway is required. If you want to do any online means, payment gateways are required. Then only we have to get directly by using this single Django, not possible. These are all just how to create the applications project. Basic things we have to discussion. Go to the any live project implementation. Then you will get full clarity about how to implement the project. By default, Git won't track any files. We have to add files to the staging area. Such files only can be tracked by Git. Security how implemented from hacking. How to log in the page? User created table. What it is? Mm. Now you have to create one login.html file. Write the code. Both are same na normal. How I am implemented logout? Same process. Logout.html am I created? Not created. Logout we are doing one page na. Okay. But in the latest version, if it is not working, you are implemented na logout functionality. Direct our own login now. Sir, now we can add files to the staging area by using git add abc.txt, or we go with git add dot means all the files present in current working directory. All the files in current working directory. Login details taking only username, not password. SQL query. What is your doubt? So now first git init, we are added the file. For example, once we do any modification, we have to do any commit to the file. Then we go with the command is git commit -m message. First commit by it is committed there. After that, you can ask git status. Working tree was clean, nothing to be committed. I'm not doing any modifications. So if you have to do any modification, open the file. 3 lines are there. Now I added, save this, closed. Now again you have to go to the you have to go with status. So modified will be done. One modification is happened. Again I have to do. You have to done with second commit. Yes, one file changed. Three insertions will be happened there. Now we go with git log. What we did up to now, all the information will be displayed. First commit, second commit. If you are not using Django table, automatically your table will be considered. If I'm using Django accounts login, then only it is taking authentication table. And in authentication table, all the users are there. Whatever username password is given, based on that, it will be login. So now, fourth one is we have to commit the changes in the file present in the staging area. Then the files will be moved to local repository. Git commit -m first commit we will see end of the session. I want to see your code, then only it is possible. Otherwise, you can next one. We can find the status of the files. Git status is the command. All commands related to our local repository. Git log. So here the commands are git init to create and initialize local repository, add files to add files to staging area, -m commit message to commit changes so that changes will be stored in local repo. Git status to find the status. Git log. So that is so now the file is available there, abc.txt in the Git. From there to I want to send it to GitHub. So now here, open to the GitHub. If you have any user is there, log into the user. Otherwise, you have to create. First, you have to sign up. Already have username, password is there. Oh. Sir, this is my GitHub. In this already previously one Mahesh DJ 123 jobs repo is there. This is one repository I created. I want to delete this. Delete this repository jobs underscore repo. pythoninvert.com. Already it is there, na? No problem. Here you can delete it, no problem. It is available. Already deployment is there, na? In that server it is available. Here it is deleted, in that also deleted. No. Here if you deleted also in Python anywhere, it is available until April 3rd. The server it will maintain. Because my files upload into that server, not here. I will show in that server directly have static files, tables, everything upload into virtual environment, not here. That's why in that permanently it is there. 3 months it is available. Mahesh DJ 123 jobs underscore repo. Sir gone. ఇంకా ఇంకో రిపాజిటరీ ఉందా? Sir, so there is no repositories. I deleted now. First, I have to create one repository. This is the my username Mahesh Django123 I'm given. I'm given as a repository one. Else D Django repository one is available. Make it as a public. Create repository. So this is the address, our GitHub repository address. http github.com -dj123 django repo 1. Now my application is available in the staging area abc.txt. You have to check that in the GitHub there is no files. You only have to use these commands: git remote add origin. After that, git push -u origin m in the git command. Just copy the command. Go to the git bash, paste it. Oh, అలా రాదనుకుంటా. Paste. ఇది not required. Git remote add origin http github -dj. Okay. Enter this. Now, second command, git push -u origin m. I'm removing. Sorry. What I was doing is git branch -m main. Now take this command, paste it. Now your application will be added to there successfully. Up to now, my application is available. Data my current working directory. Go to your GitHub now. Here you have to refresh. abcd.txt file is available. Open the file. How many lines are there? 6 lines of the code is there. So my file is local machine. Now central repository is there. If I give my username, not username, password, this URL if I am given, you can download my file into your machine by using the git bash. You can enter this URL into your git bash. The file will be downloaded to your machine. For example, now 6 lines are there. I did some modification. I'm adding some functionalities or I added some code. Now these many lines are there. I saved it. Is it affected directly to git bash? No. What to do? Again, you have to do the process. First, this file move to the staging area. From there to again, you have to move to the git. Now check it carefully. There are only 6 lines are there. My file contains 18 lines. Come to here. Again, process, starting process. First command. What is the first command? Add. Yes. We are added there. After that, this is the third commit. Yes, sir. 12 insertion. That is 6 plus 6, 12 lines I added. 12 insertion done. Git status done. Working branch is clean. Once it is okay, after that we have to go with direct push no. Can I add origin? Not required. You have to git push origin to the main. Now go to here. 6 lines are there. You have to refresh. Total 80 lines are available there. So every day, whenever your project completed, evening we have to uploaded your total data here. Suppose if any files are available there, but it is the text file. Actually, I have to upload it my project. That is the main thing. It is just your understandable purpose I am telling. So go to the GitHub. In this, log into your GitHub. After that, comments are. This is the first command. Next one is git -m main. Git push -u main. Once you enter this, your local file will be sent to GitHub. The file will be forwarded to GitHub. In the local file, whatever is there, in the GitHub, in the repository, your file will be uploaded. What is -n? Sir, but actually test file is not required. Sir, I have to do in the current working directory, this PC D drive, in our project 20th March, 10th February. Jobs project is there, or any project you have to take. Sunny Jobs project, ఇది కాదు. Sunny Jobs. Here templates are there. Okay. In this database is also available there. Populate.py, everything is there. Static files, database, everything. This project I want to upload it to GitHub. From there I want to go to the pythonanywhere.com. Now, copy this project, create one working directory D drive. Here I can provided my current working directory. I deleted. Now, new folder, my current working directory inside paste the project, Sunny jobs. Because in this static files, templates, database, everything is there. Once you upload this, any project is the same process. So your major steps are only 3 steps are there. First one, you have to create a local repository with our project name. Just now I completed. Second one, move this one to the remote repository. Third one, clone this in Python anywhere.com. After that, you have to add databases, all the things, static files, database, everything. Have to do your required configurations. Then we go with the WSGI settings. Starting we discussed WSGI. Now we have to add it into in the WSGI file. We have to do the live changes, all the things. So first I created a new folder. What is the folder in my current working directory? I copied the project Sunny jobs. Paste in my current working directory. Third one, go to the git bash. Inside అంటే not my current working directory, any folder you can create. Because in my current working directory, Django 10th February, so many projects are there. Na? That's why one folder you have to create. Inside you have to create your project. So here whatever commands are there, first one is go to the current working directory. So go to the bash, open it. CMD. Go to the D drive, D drive, CD, my current working directory. Git init. Now git add dot, because so many files are there. How to add, all will be added there. Git status, it is added all. -m first commit. Now status, nothing to committed, working tree is clean. So here the command is go to the your current working directory. Next one, my current working directory. Git init, git add dot, git status, git commit. Now ready. This project I want to move to the GitHub. Go to the GitHub. Create one new repository. I have to take a new repository. Jobs repository. So go to the GitHub. Here one repository is there. I want to create a new repository. Same repository also you can use, no problem. Sir, repository name is jobs underscore repository. Create new. Now check it in the jobs repository. Nothing. This is your address. Copy this. Go to the git. Here. Git remote. Add origin. Our URL. అదంతా వస్తుంది అది. Now next git branch -m git push -u origin main. Now your total project should be updated to the GitHub. Now come to here, check the our repository, jobs repository. Open this. Sunny jobs. Open this. Everything should be available. Sunny, static, Sunny jobs, templates, insert template, Hyderabad, jobs.html. This is the code. Index.html. Tomorrow you have to do any modification, any functionality you can add in the test app. Go to the views.py. Views.py code is there. Any changes you have to do, go to the GitHub, send the GitHub. From here to pythonanywhere.com. Then application is ready. So go to the GitHub, create repository, then go to the git bash. The command is how to use a live page of our templates after uploading. AWS is required for current running market. In your machine, you can modify your code. In your local repository, you can modify the code. After that, send it to the GitHub. From there to pythonanywhere.com. Sir, now go to the pythonanywhere.com. Because in the GitHub project is ready. This project I want to send it to the pythonanywhere.com. So open this site pythonanywhere.com. Here see, in this one already one project is available there. Go to the web tab. One project is there. If you want to add another project, it is not allowed because only one project it can be accepted because it is the free domain. If you want to add multiple projects, you have to buy the space. Delete this project. Gone. Dashboard. Any batch consoles are there. One is there. Remove that. No batch consoles. Python 10.7.2 MySQL. Sir, first go to the here in the dashboard. In the left side, one icon is there. That is a console. In the new console, you can go to the bash. What did this means? Click on this one. It will open the bash. It is created one virtual environment. You have to create one virtual environment. What is the purpose of this virtual environment means? Suppose in my machine I have 3.9 is there. In one machine 3.12 is there. In another machine 3.10 is there. I am using Django 4.2. One person using Django 5. Another person using different version. So that's why in virtual environment, in my machine, whatever Python is there, Python version, Django version, I have to create one isolated environment. In this, the project will be running. That's why in your machine, which version is there, Python, Django, based on that, you have to create one isolated environment. Then only your project will be working on that environment. So the first one is you have to create a virtual environment. Heroku also same process. Yeah, it will display all the requirements. Creation of virtual environment. Go to the console, click on bash. So in that the command is mk virtual env hyphen which Python version is there in your machine. In my machine Python 3.10 is there and my proj. This is our virtual environment name. mk virtual env hyphen Python. In your machine, which Python is there? How to give that one? This name, any name you can give. I'm given as a my project బదులు jobs project. Here, jobs project. It is nothing but name of the virtual environment. I'll first run this command. Is it correct? The dollar it is running on the server now. It will take some time. MKVIRTUAL. The left side, I'm getting jobs project. This meaning is your virtual environment created successfully. Now it is in active. So this is your virtual environment name. Once you are getting this, jobs project virtual environment created and currently active. Sir, here in this virtual environment, whatever the softwares are available there, go to there. You can ask pip list. It will be displayed. And in this environment, will job project setup tools pip is there. Djang is available. No. So your project won't work. In your machine, Django, which version is available there? Go to the Python shell. Import the module name is Django. ఎక్కడ Django spelling mistake ఉందా? Django. How to get the version? Dot underscore version 4.0 is there. You have to install this one into there, not in your machine. 4.0 kada. So the command is how to install same pip install Django equal to 4.0. Sir, me machine lo which version is there that you have to install? Don't execute as these commands. So here pip install Django 4.0. Installing. Time badadi lopo take this one. You have to type pip list. So after that, whatever your software is there, check Python, sorry, Django version. After that, you have to install. After installation, you can ask pip list. It will be displayed. Still installing. Sir, installed successfully. Now you can ask pip list. Now you can check it. Django is available there. Okay, fine. Sir, now my doubt is, suppose I uploaded project to the GitHub. The GitHub project is there. In your GitHub project is there. One person he want to download this project into their local machine. How to download? I am uploaded. I am given URL. You can download my project into your machine. Git clone. For example, see here. In the D drive, one folder I want to create a new folder. My working dir. Okay. Check this, it is empty. Nothing files. Project is available into the GitHub. From there to have to download. Go to your git bash here. D drive. CD. Mandedi my working dir. WOR. My working dir. So present it is there. Git init. After that, git clone that address. Where is the address? ఇది అక్కడ ఉంది కదా, ఇంకోండి ఇది అడ్రస్. Just you have to use the clone, then automatically from the central server, the project will come to your local server. Cloning into our working directory, go to your project, jobs repository came. So from there to here to GitHub to pythonanywhere.com, you have to download. Sir, now, how can I get project from GitHub to local repository? How can I get project from GitHub to the local repository? Create one working directory, any name. Now go to the git bash. CD my working dir. Git init. Next, git clone that address. It is taken from GitHub to local repository. Sir, now project I am forwarded local repository to GitHub. First local repository is there. From there to staging area, from there to GitHub, process completed. This is our local machine. From there to, by using the Git, I can forwarded staging area. From there to now project is available in where? GitHub. ఇక్కడ నుంచి final step we have to go to the pythonanywhere.com. Virtual environment is created. Present whatever project available there, from here to here I want to send. For that you have to go to the virtual environment pythonanywhere.com. In that use the same command git clone your GitHub address. I will send, wait. Sir, copy this URL. Go to the pythonanywhere.com virtual environment, paste it. Git clone our address. Then already jobs underscore repo exist. I deleted కదా మొత్తం. Oh, jobs and repo is there already. Delete చేయలేదా నేను? అదేంటి readme.txt ఫైల్? సరే, I removed that one, whatever it is available. Now, what is the command here? Git clone. It is added there. Now you have to go to the display list of items. Jobs underscore repo is available there. CD jobs underscore repo. It is available there. In this one, our job name Sunny Jobs. Yes, now the shown here, the command is then increase open size. Move. Yeah. Sir, now jobs repo Sunny Jobs is there. My current working directory path required pwd. Present working directory path. ఇది directory path /home jobs repo Sunny Jobs. So first in the virtual environment execute this command. After that you can go to the అవసరం లేదు కదా, check the list of items whatever available there. CD jobs underscore repository. Inside you can go with CD Sunny Jobs. You can ask pwd. Present working path, it will be displayed. That is the commands. This is called as a source code path. It is required next level source code path. అర్థం కావట్లేదా? అర్థం కాబట్టి వదిలేయటమే. చూడదు. ఇఫ్ అర్థం అయితే ఇంజెక్టెడ్ మైండ్, అర్థం కాకపోతే చూడదు. Here all these are commands, just it is not any programming. అర్థం కాకపోవడానికి 1 or 2 times follow the steps. But 90% sir, no one can ask about this process, all the things, because we are applying as a freshers. We are not working employees. They never ask, have you deployed the project, all the things. So nowadays in the DevOps course is there now. What is the main major course for DevOps course? DevOps. Just to follow the steps, then automatically it is uploading your project to the pythonanywhere.com. Sir, here చూడండి, now what I was doing is here, this is the source path we are getting there, okay? I have to do the application means, in our regularly go to the command prompt, we have to do the make migrations and migrate. What is the purpose of make migration, migrate? It is creating the tables. But you are running project into virtual environment, your tables and all these are not available there, okay? So you have to go to, again, do with your make migrations and migrate py manage.py. What is the command? Make migrations. Because in that models everything is there, table is not there. So you have to do the command not found. Sir, if it is not working, you can use full command python, then it will execute. Python manage.py make migrations. They are telling MySQL client. Ante 1 minute, sir. Asal background what SQL is there, we don't know now. Check your files first of all. In pythonanywhere.com, idigondi jobs repo, Sunny jobs. In Sunny jobs, just in our how we are doing regularly, settings.py, same code. Every day we are using Atom. Now in the live we are doing in there. Which database is there? The problem. MySQL I am given now. Instead of this, I can go with SQLite 3. Go to any first project, settings, copy, go to your change here. Now save. It is saved, sir. Now go to the again consoles, your bash console. Yeah, you are getting error here. Now run the command python manage.py make migrations. No changes detected. Migrate, create super user, python manage.py create super user. So these things regularly we are using our blank. It is taken as a Mahesh project name, email address abc@gmail.com, password sunny123. Do you want to create super user? Yes, super user created successfully. If you want to log into the virtual environment, go to the admin panel. You have to, if you don't want to change, you can install MySQL client, all the things. Okay. Sir, now, finally, I have to go to the web tab. Present, you don't have any applications. Add a new web application. Sir, first you take the steps one by one. Go to the list. After that, you have to enter Python manage.py, make migrations. Next, migrate Python manage.py, migrate, create super user. Per user. Before that, in that, you can change SQLite 3 settings. Yeah, you have to install pip install MySQL client. Then problem will be resolved. Pip install MySQL client. Compulsory MySQL database is required. Then you have to install MySQL into virtual environment. Problems will come. That's why I'm given MySQL 3, SQLite 3 directly. Because Django will take care about SQLite 3. Then if I install MySQL, it will take so much time. So now, go to the web tab. And the web tab means this one. In the right side here, web tab is then a web tab. Click on add new web application. Want to change that upgrade now. ఇక్కడ options ఉంటాయి. Okay. Sir, go to the web tab here. Click on add a new web application. Then click on the next. After that, it is giving options for you. Which option can I select? Django, Web2PY, Flask, Bottle, Manual. I go with manual configuration. Because Python, which version is there in your machine? 10, 9, 8, 7. 12 అయితే not given there, supported 10. So, go to the manual configuration. Inside, my version is Python 10. That's a selected Python 3.10. Okay. Click on next. Come to down. Somewhere else is it asking so this project will be available February 28th, June 2024. Sir, you have to add source code path. What is the source path? Just now I'm asking the source code path. This path. Copy this path. Give into here. Check that. Yes, it is perfect source path. Next, WGA Python version. Virtual environment. Virtual environment path is I may copy anywhere virtual environment path. Sir, virtual environment path is dot virtual envs. What is your project name? Jobs underscore repo. This is your virtual environment path. Go to there, give this, check this. No. Our project is delete this. Jobs underscore repos and jobs. Sir slash home via TUL virtual ENVs. Oh, jobs correct. Here watch. Jobs underscore single underscore kada. అవునా? ఓహో జాబ్స్ PROJ. Oh, go to the web tab. Source path is okay. Here it was gone. Check this. It is valid now. Reload the project. Now right click, open in web tab. Go to here. What we are getting and application is working, but it is displaying what it displaying. I'm not getting any error. Hello world because of there is one file is there. Starting we are telling WSGA file. In that they are given hello world. And everything success. Instead of your application, their message displayed. Remove that one or comment it. Go to pythonanywhere.com. Here itself only. ఇందులో go to the files. Jobs repo. Where is the wga.file? Sunny jobs. Go to wsga.py file. In this wsga file, anywhere hello world is there. One minute. ఇదే కదా? Yeah, sorry. That is our WSGA file. In the web tab, scroll down. Here anywhere WSGA file is there. WSGA configuration. In this wherever is going, hello world is there. This hello world, it will be printed. Hello world. This is the default welcome page of Python Anywhere hosted. Python Anywhere hosted. Come to this, comment it, save this. Once you save, come to here, you have to refresh. Sorry. Once you comment it, Go to the web tab, reload the application, then you can access. Go to here, refresh that. Something went wrong. pythonanywhere.com. They are telling here something we can require Django setup. Those things are required. Error running WGA file. Hello world is not defined, but still hello world is there. I will complete it. Wait. Go to the WSGI. Anywhere hello world is there. Our system related we have to. Sir, it's going Django related settings here. It is there. Import OS, import sys. Path we have to provided. If path is not there, system path, sys.path, os.environment. OS, sys, path, Mahesh project, Sunny, jobs. If path not in sys path that append of path, OS dot change directory of the path. Environment Django setting modules equal to or job entity set default Django underscore setting module Sunny jobs dot settings. Save this. Go to the web tab. Again, reload. Come to here. Refresh. Again, something. Where WJ still it is there. Go to WGA. Where? Already commented na. Save this. OS, sys, home, Mahesh project, jobs repo, Sunny jobs. Change their path. Here everything is okay. Sir, చూద్దాం. Save this. Go to the web tab. Reload the application. Right click. Open in web tab. Something goes wrong. Yeah, Django dot setup is not there. OS dot environment import Django Django dot setup. Save. Go to the web tab. Reload the application. ఎక్కడ send spelling mistake. Import 80 our WGA file copy paste. So చూడండి final attempt. If it is not working, then we will copy paste that code. Right click. Why it is telling set IP? I am given any spelling mistake. Last చూడండి last లో they will tell OS dot chdar path. In that line mistake is there. Why it is telling? సరే, where is our file? Sunny jobs. WSGA. అదంతా not required. Okay. Something went wrong. Oh. Net connection gone. That sure that tomorrow I will complete it. Here something code is there. So up to path we are getting now. Sir, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will finish this one. Tomorrow REST API introduction I will start. compared to this one? Automatically it will upload it. Okay. Okay. Directly GitHub to directly Hero Pro. Clear, everything is goes fine, no, something is